Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the brand new Xiaomi Redmi Note 17 Pro. Xiaomi has packed this phone with a huge battery, a bright AMOLED display, and several durability upgrades. But is it really worth buying? Let's find out in this realistic hands-on demo. As soon as you pick up the Redmi Note 17 Pro, it feels solid in the hand. The aluminum frame combined with the glass back gives it a premium feel, although the large battery makes it a little heavier than previous Redmi Note models. The camera module has a clean, modern design, and the phone is available in multiple stylish colors. Xiaomi has also focused heavily on durability this year, with high-level water and dust resistance, making it much more confident for daily outdoor use. Now let's turn on the display. The Redmi Note 17 Pro features a large 6.83-inch 1.5K AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Scrolling through social media feels incredibly fluid, animations are smooth, and colors look vibrant. Watching YouTube videos or Netflix is a pleasure thanks to the sharp resolution, deep blacks, and impressive peak brightness. Even under bright sunlight, the screen remains easy to read, making it excellent for outdoor use. Powering the Redmi Note 17 Pro is Qualcomm's Snapdragon SiXS Gen 4 processor. For everyday tasks like messaging, browsing, video streaming, and multitasking, everything runs smoothly. Apps open quickly, switching between multiple applications is seamless, and HyperOS feels responsive. Gaming performance is also respectable. Popular games like BGMI, Call of Duty Mobile, and Asphalt run comfortably on medium to high graphics settings with stable frame rates and good thermal management. Let's move to the cameras. The primary 50-megapixel camera captures detailed photos with natural colors during daylight. Dynamic range is good, and Xiaomi's image processing keeps photos looking realistic without excessive saturation. Portrait mode produces decent background blur, while selfies are clear enough for social media and video calls. Low-light photography is improved compared to older Redmi Note phones, although flagship devices still have an advantage in extremely dark environments. For video recording, stabilization performs well during walking shots, making handheld videos look smooth and usable. One of the biggest highlights is the massive 9,000 mAh battery. For most users, this easily delivers 2 full days of normal usage. Even heavy users who spend hours gaming or watching videos can comfortably reach the end of the day with battery remaining. When it's finally time to recharge, Xiaomi includes 67W fast charging support, significantly reducing charging time despite the enormous battery capacity. The Redmi Note 17 Pro runs HyperOS based on Android 16. The interface feels smooth, animations are polished, and Xiaomi has improved memory management. Features like split-screen multitasking, floating windows, customizable themes, and useful AI tools enhance the overall user experience. So, should you buy the Xiaomi Redmi Note 17 Pro? If you're looking for a smartphone with a beautiful AMOLED display, excellent battery life, smooth everyday performance, durable build quality, and reliable cameras, all without paying flagship prices, the Redmi Note 17 Pro is definitely one of the strongest mid-range options available. It may not compete with premium flagship camera phones, but for daily use, entertainment, gaming, and productivity, it delivers excellent overall value. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more realistic smartphone reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.